Hi guys, when you first install the software you will have noticed that a dialog box pops up called the AppliCad Instructor. Now the AppliCad Instructor is a docking dialog box. You can move it around the screen, and if you've got multiple screens, move it off the screen and have it adjacent to where you're currently working. The advantage of the AppliCad Instructor is that it's context sensitive, that is to say, whatever function you're on, the instructions for that function are displayed in a brief form, and if you want more information you simply click the click here to learn more, and it opens up the help files online. These are all found at help.applicad.com. They're organised in a fashion similar to the menu, primary menu structure in the software, and you click on one. Each one has a table of contents and it's hyperlinked to that part of the software, and it tells you exactly what's going on. When this manual was a printed volume, it was over 1200 pages. So the other advantage of being online, should we find any typos or make small changes to the software, or something doesn't make sense, we can make the change immediately, and then it's automatically reflected on for everybody anywhere in the world. In the event that the AppliCad Instructor is turned off, and you go, oh whoops, I need that back, click on Help, click Instructor, and he comes back. Another way to access the help files, every single dialog box that pops up has a question mark or help button on it. When you click that help button, it takes you directly to that page of the manual, the online manual at help.applicad.com, and explains what that particular function is all about and how you should be using it. Also under the help are another button there for manuals. That takes you to the same manual. What's new in this software, a basic learning guide, and the reference manual, which is help.applicad.com. And there is also links to other information, the online training course, our bureau service, and other help information and tutorials on YouTube. In the event that all of that fails and you need help or explanation on something, remember that our support team is only an email or a phone call away. So don't ever be held up, always ask for help. There are no dumb questions. Have a great day.